welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my Bobobie Rachael. So let's begin.
In audio.
Alright, with the shipping box out of the way, it's this blue box from Yanderi. Alright, let's see. There might be some tape, so I'm gonna have to remove that. Oh, never mind. The tape is already cut, so here it is. Since I bought it from Yanderi, they give you this kind of COA, which they just put her name on there, so... And also, I got a wig cap for her. I hope this one fits. I got the 7 to 8 inch since I heard the Bobie heads are much smaller than the resin soles. Alright. And she's in this gold bag. It's what resin sole and Bobobie usually use. Alright, let's get her out of the bag. There she is. Let's take a look at her. So they already had face-ups with Rachael. Oh, those eyes are pretty. It's a nice sky blue eyes. Although I might change her face-up later. Let's see if the hands are safe. Alright, one hand is good. For the moment of truth. Yay, both hands are safe. Thankfully. And she's strung quite loose for shipping purposes. Yeah, she's very wobbly right now. So let's take a look. Alright, so I'm MSC'd her body for now, except her head, since I might change her face up later. And I was actually wrong. Her head is actually quite big, although on the website I thought it was actually much smaller since like it's 20 centimeters and like most SDs are like 22, 21, up to 24. So, and she actually fits the 9 to 10 inch wig cap better. Alright, let's see. I'll try putting a wig on her. Let's see. My bag of wigs. Yeah, that one looks like it's gonna stain since it has black lining inside. And this is the wig I originally chose for her. There we go. Yeah, it does fit her pretty snug, actually, with the wig cap. Just moving some stray hairs out of the way. There we go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna change her face up later. It just doesn't go with the hair I want. And it doesn't really do much for the personality I want to give her. Yeah, I already noticed, since like Resin Soul and Bobobie are like sister companies, but Bobobie bodies are actually much more like boxy and much thicker than most of my Resin Soul girls. They're a lot slimmer than her. See, like her midsection, it's actually a lot thicker. I'll try bringing one of my Resin Souls here. Oh. This is my Resin Soul Sue, Minerva. Yeah, even with clothing, you could already tell she's like much skinnier than Bobobie. Yeah, she's definitely not gonna fit my Resin Soul clothing I made. And this is my Resin Soul Yun. And she's on the 58 centimeter body. Yeah, even with the clothes, you can already tell she's much slimmer, especially the legs and the waist. But they're about the same height. It's just she's wearing heels right now. Yep. Get that out of the way. And also, I noticed with like their faces, Bobobie has like more like pointy noses, and Resin Soul have like more. They do still have distinct noses. It's just not as pointy as like Bobobie. And also, the Bobobies have like bigger eyes, as you can see. From just looking at this, it says 16 on the website, but I think she could fit an 18, possibly a 20, depending on the eye wells inside. And most of my Resin Souls were 16 small iris. And their faces are actually, I guess, they look more youthful in a way. Because of their big eyes and like pointier features. Which I might do a comparison for like all of my Resin Soul and Bobobies later. And just taking a look at the body. Although it looks very similar to my Bobobie boy, especially with the joints. They have this like round thigh joint here. That's actually like a ball. Although there really isn't much difference except like the chest for like the male Bobobies. Yeah, I noticed like her chest is actually much bigger than most of my Resin Soul girls. And they're like more perky, even from the side. Although I think they still use the same Resin Soul hands. They look very similar. Although both my girls are wearing jointed hands right now. But they look pretty similar to this. Alright, that concludes my video. So goodbye.